In this video, we will learn how traditional earthen pots are made in India. Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Urban Gardening. First, clay is refined by removing large particles like stones, lumps, and other impurities in the clay. This is done manually using fine nets to filter the dry clay. Right now, Baba is mixing the clay by stamping and crushing for the better mixing of clay. It is a process of kneading the clay with a slight rotation that helps push out any air bubbles within the clay. Mixed clay is placed on the center of the wheel, then the wheel is rotated with the help of a stick. Making pottery on the wheel seems to be the most traditional technique. A pottery wheel is a device that spins around at various speeds. As the wheel starts rotating, craftsman starts to shape the clay into the required form. Smoothing of the outer surface is done with wet cloth or hands. Craftsman normally uses a wire to loosen the pot from the wheel by sliding the wire under the base of the pot right up against the wheel. Clay is attached to the wheel head and shaped with hands or tools. As it spins around, after the pot is formed, it is usually cut off the wheel to dry. Now pots are allowed to dry under the sun for 2 to 3 days. Firing is done in the bhatti, a traditional open furnace within a circular area. Pots are piled carefully and covered by locally available fuels such as dry leaves and wooden pieces. Then the furnace is covered with mud or sand and fired to produce a very high temperature. After firing, pots are tested and pots with defects are separated. After the firing, pieces usually need a quick sand or grind to ensure any sharp edges are removed. These are some of the pots that I have bought from Baba's shop. I'm going to use them as art pieces or as for decoration.